Hello YouTube, and welcome back to Useapalooza with me, the Inconsistent Crafter. Today we're going to be doing some simple little wire-shaped stars. So I already made this design a while back. It's crooked at AF, but it's fine. I'm just going to make some, probably like maybe 3 or 4 stars out of this. So this should be a real quick video. Sorry about my dog's whining. Anyway, you know the drill. Enjoy. I'm gonna redo these two now. Okay, this one was fast and easy once I figured out how to do them right. So this was just wire I bought from the dollar store that I've been hoarding for, I don't even know, years. We'll just leave it at that. Anyway, so I made these bunch of little stars. So I made this days ago, and clearly I didn't do a great job because it's uneven as F, but anyway, so I made these cute little things, and that's it. Thanks for watching this episode of Useapalooza with me, the Inconsistent Crafter, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.